Welcome to this vlog, you guys. I am off to spin right now. Hi, Brody. Good morning. And I don't think I have filmed at all there yet. I've gone to a couple classes. It's a new studio here called xoxo, and I really like it. It's been so fun to be able to go in person. The Soul is just like an hour away from here, so I am never making that drive. I just do like my at-home bike, you guys know. But it's been really nice to just like be back in a studio. I'm going with two of my girlfriends here, and they're about to come pick me up, and it's gonna be really fun. I'll try to get a little bit of footage in there. It's just like a little studio and the best vibes. Hi! Oh, you guys match. You look cute right now. We're just taking mirror selfies, some pictures. Everyone, if you live in Allentown, come to xoxo. Oh, look, you can see it up on the wall back there. xoxo Allentown. We had the best class. That was freaking hard.
It was
That was hard. In the beginning, I'm like, oh, it's so cold. Like, how hard can it be? No, I was like sweating. Very sweaty. We said that was such a good class. We got Jamba Juice smoothies after. So good. And this is reminding me, you guys. Oh, somebody wants to play. Oh! I was saying, this is reminding me that this sweatshirt I just got in from Lulu, you guys. I've been the biggest Lulu shopaholic recently, like it's insane. I ordered like 2 or 3 times, and then I went into the store 3 times recently. I actually went this morning. I didn't even tell you guys, but Max has 2 away games in Charlotte this weekend, so I drove him and one of his teammates to the airport this morning, and so then I popped by Lulu after. So I need to show you guys everything I got. I'm gonna shower and like not feel gross, and then I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. Okay, you guys, showered, clean, all ready to show you all the pieces I got from Lululemon. I'm always like freaking out whenever I get to work with Lululemon on a video because I'm just their #1 fan. Are you coming to join us, Sleepy? Come on up. I was just saying, it's always a dream come true whenever I get to work with Lululemon because I've been their #1 fan for years and years and years now, and they're definitely the place that I spend the most of my money. So a couple of the pieces Lulu actually sent me, which is amazing, but the rest I actually bought with my own money because I'm just always in there on their website. So the first thing I can show you guys I'm actually wearing, I love this so much. This is the Scuba oversized half zip little crop hoodie. They were sold out in the extra small, medium, large, so I got this in the XL/XXL. I love this in this size because it just fits very cozy, and I have this in actually this gray color. These are the Scuba Joggers. So I like the light heathered gray color of this, and I wear it all the time, so I knew I wanted a darker color, so this is just navy. So obsessed with it, and all of the pieces I'm going to be showing you guys will be linked down below. Next, I can show you the sweatshirt I wore to spin. This is also a Scuba hoodie, oversized, but it's the full zip. And again, I got it in the biggest size. I'm just obsessed with these sweatshirts, you guys, so I wanted to try out the full zip one, and I just love this color. Next up, we have this vest that I have been wearing so much. This time of year, it's been the perfect temperature outside to wear a vest, especially my morning walk with Brody. It gets pretty chilly, so I've been loving doing like a sweatshirt long sleeve with a vest on top to just keep me extra warm, and I love the look of this vest. I just think it's so cute, so nice. Obviously Lulu has insane quality. Then we have the Epta Street tank top. Yes, I know the names of everything on Lulu because I'm their #1 fan, you guys already know. This is my 6 or 7 color of this tank top. You guys are gonna be like, why do you need them? Because this is my go-to, my #1 favorite tank top for working out, and the majority of them I've actually gotten cropped because then they go like at the perfect length for my high-waisted leggings, high-waisted little biker shorts, everything like that. So I might get this one cropped. I'm not sure though, because it could be good for like lower waisted shorts. I might just keep it full length, but I love this pink color. Well, I have green, I have white, I have black, I have blue. The list goes on and on. Okay, next up we have some new Align shorts. These are my favorite little biker shorts, you guys. I'm sure you guys already know. The Align material from Lululemon is just so iconic. It's so soft, it's so stretchy and nice, and just really flattering. It feels like buttery. That's like how most people describe it. It's just so smooth. And actually, I know on Lulu, on each item, you can scroll down and you'll find the why we made this section, and it'll talk all about the material, what it's good for. Like, I feel like I work at Lululemon right now, but the Align material is called Nulu, and it's just really soft, stretchy, like I told you, and so good for like low intensity workouts, yoga, walking, things like that. So I'm obsessed with my black Align shorts. I like 4-inch inseam, and I have 2 pairs already, but I wear them so much, and if they're ever both dirty, I'm like, oh, I want another pair. So got another pair, literally the best black biker shorts ever. Then I saw this heathered navy blue color, and I was like, oh my gosh, need you in my life. Look at how beautiful these are. Right when I saw the color, I was like, immediately yes. Then I got a pair of the speed up shorts. My favorite inseam for these is 4-inch. I wore my black ones non-stop, so I thought it would be good to get another dark pair. This is just navy blue. These are the high-rise version, and I just love them. I feel like I've been getting more and more navy, so I thought navy shorts would be so good with so many things, you guys. I'll try to speed this up because I feel like I've been talking so much. But I got the navy Align bra, so like this would be so perfect with these navy little shorts. The Align bra is the best. I wore it earlier to spin in like that tiger print with the matching leggings. And the Align bra is so cool because it's reversible. So on this side, it's like this cool sort of like light bluish gray color. And then I got the Ebb to Street bras, which are my favorites. I have black, I have white, so I wanted to get other colors. I got this green color because it actually have the same green color Align shorts, so I thought it would be so cute with, you can see it tried on. And this gray color I just thought was so perfect. These are the comfiest bras from Lulu in my opinion. I love wearing them just every day under normal clothes because they're that comfy. Obviously so good for working out too. Oh my gosh, wait, I forgot my most favorite thing. I had to go run and get this because I've been wearing it so much. I got the Energy bra in this gorgeous like hot pink color. I believe this is called Pow Pink. And then I saw these shorts. These are the Essential Run high-rise. Bye. These are the Essential Run high-rise shorts, which I have not heard of before, but I saw them on their website, snatched them up real quick because it's that same Pow Pink color, and like this together, so iconic. The cutest little set. Okay, we're nearing the end, I promise. These are the Sherpa weave mittens, and I just wanted to get a nice new pair of black mittens. These are so soft on the inside, you guys, if you need like nice mittens for the winter. And if you haven't tried Lululemon's underwear, what are you doing? Their seamless thongs are my favorite underwear of all time. A black one, navy, like honestly majority of my underwear are this style from Lulu now. This is like a sage green color. They feel so nice, they're seamless, no lines, anything like that. And these little trigger point balls, roller balls that you can roll out with have been such a game changer. Max and I will like stretch at night sometimes. He likes to stretch at night before he goes to bed, and these are so nice for rolling out the grooves. Like my back, my upper back is so sore right now from spin, just with like all the arm movements. And so I'll put this against the wall and I'll like roll on it. It feels so nice. There's just different sizes. Little one, this little one, really good for getting in there on your back, rolling out your glutes. Okay, last but not least, the top I got today. This is the Power Pivot Tank. I'm laughing at myself that I know all the names. I have this in black, I have this in hot pink, and I love it. It's so flattering. I just love this style top so much. It's so nice for workout classes, especially if I don't feel like just wearing a little bra. This is just good to throw over top because it's like a high neck tank top. You can also flip it around. It can just be worn both ways, or you can wear it like low cut in the front, high in the back, but normally I just do it like high neck in the front. So again, everything will be linked down below. And now Brody and I think are gonna go on a nice little walk because it's so nice out. Also want to tell you guys how I've finally been getting back into working out. I've gone to this new spin studio that I was telling you about, 6 Cycle, maybe like 4 classes now, and just trying to do some movement around here. If it's like doing bar classes at home, I haven't been back to Orange Theory yet, which I need to go. So Cycle classes on my at-home bike. I've finally been getting back into it, but I did not work out for like weeks and weeks because I really injured my lower back. I think in my last vlog I was showing how I like graduated from PT and I had all my physical therapy appointments, so my back's doing better. I just have to keep up with my exercises to make sure I'm like stretching properly and like having good form and working out. But I just wanted to talk to you guys about getting back into working out because it can be really hard. It's like the hardest thing when you worked out for a while and felt like I always felt like I'm generally in pretty good shape, and then if you take a month off, it can just set you way back, and like keeping up with the class or doing workouts you used to do feel like 20 times harder. So if you were getting back into your workout routine, just know I'm right there with you, girl. It's so hard, but this is me pep talking myself. If we just stick with it, if we just persist, we will get our confidence back in working out and sort of get your stamina, what's the word I'm looking for? Your endurance back, because it's really hard starting to work out again. I'm like, am I like not okay one song into this spin class? But we can do it. Obviously go at your own pace though. I'm not gonna start doing like 6 days a week or anything crazy. Like I just started back slowly with like a couple spin classes a week or like every other day kind of thing. So I do not want to injure myself again. It's like the most horrible feeling. But yeah, I'm happy I'm getting back into working out. I'm so happy that this spin studio opened here because there was nothing like it here before, and so it just feels so nice to be able to like be in a studio working out again. Just in person is like way better than at home in my opinion. I mean, it's really convenient being able to do it at home, but just like the energy in the studio, like nothing beats that. So yes, I'm back and I'm gonna try to be on my grind, because mentally I noticed such a difference when I wasn't working out. I like just mentally wasn't doing as well because I feel so good just like getting my energy out. I'm in such a good mood after I work out. I honestly work out for the feeling afterwards. Like I just do it to feel good because I just feel like on top of the world, and I like set myself up for success for the day. And so I like miss that feeling so much, and I would go to bed and like not sleep well because I'd feel like jittery, like I needed to like, get my energy out because I was so used to working out, but then I wasn't because my back was hurting. So yeah, also my heart goes out to you if any of you are dealing with injury. It can be so frustrating and just so annoying. Like you like almost take your health for granted, and then when you have issues with it, it's like the most annoying thing. So I'm trying to like be very grateful that my body can move on a bike again, or I can go on a walk with Brody, things like that. So yeah, if any of you are dealing with injury or like chronic pain, things like that, my heart goes out to you because it can be so hard. And obviously I don't know if you guys know this, but my twin sister Lucy has dealt with chronic back pain for years and years and years. So yes, even though I don't personally experience it, I just had like a short little back pain moment with a little back injury, but I feel like I kind of know just from obviously being so close to my twin sister. So yes, just wanted to say that. But love you guys, hope you're all doing well on your workout journey and just in life in general. I hope we're all doing good. I'm just checking in with you. Love you. And now Brody and I are gonna go on our walk. It's black and navy blue allowed, you guys, because we're doing it because I didn't want to be cold. Also, I'm so dumb, I put on fuzzy Birkenstocks instead of sneakers, and my toes are definitely gonna freeze. Look at the glowing golden. He's literally glowing in the sunlight. The golden. Look at our shadows. Aren't they cute? Okay, luckily the sun is making it warmer because in the mornings it's like literally 30, but I feel like in the afternoons it'll be like 50 or whatever. The fall trees are still so pretty. Okay, luckily the toes aren't too bad. How are you doing? How you doing, buddy? So bright, but I wanted to have a chat with you guys. I was just thinking on my walk. My walk is my time, by the way, that I think. It like really clears my head. I don't bring my phone, and I can just be in nature and not be on my phone because I'm on my phone all day, every day. But are you coming? What are you doing? Sniffing? I wanted to tell you guys that before getting a dog, we're getting all tangled. It just seemed like so daunting. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to walk him like an hour every day. Like that seems like so much. And now it is like one of my most favorite parts of my day. So like, it literally is my favorite thing that I get to do every day is walk him, because it's time I get to like hang out with Brody. I'm not on my phone, and you just feel so good after. Just like being outside in air and like not looking at a screen. Maybe that's just me because I'm on my computer and phone all day for what I do, but it's like so nice being out here. And that also makes me think, like I was saying with injury, like I've been walking especially like extra because I felt like it was one of the only things I could do with my back hurting. And so if you deal with injury, maybe just like walk as much as you can because you'll feel better even if you can't do like other exercise, you know? It's later, I'm with Gracie.
Hello.
Thought we'd give you outfit of the night. I have a light look, you have a dark look.
Yes, mine's a little more like plain.
Yeah, but you can't, I told her, you can't go wrong with all black.
It's simple.
So cute.
Yours is
I'm
classy.
like, I don't think these boots really go with the jacket. They're kind of a different color,
so cute, though.
but like it's okay. Like maybe it works.
Yeah, it does, it does. Yeah, we're night and day.
Yeah, we really are. We are going to take pictures, important, and then we're going to Melt, the yummiest Italian place here. It's so good. Like, you're gonna be obsessed. Like, it's so good. I'll bring you guys along. Fail, I did not bring you guys along. I actually did bring my vlog camera to Melt, where we went to dinner last night, and then I just didn't even pull it out. I didn't even vlog. I apologize. I was just so in the moment. It was so nice. I like had my phone in my bag the whole time, and I was just chit-chatting, socializing with the girls. We were even talking about how phones are like ruining lives and like relationships, and how your screen time can be like 10 hours, and that's 10 hours you're not like living in the present moment, socializing, like being with another human being in real life. And how like one of the girls I was with was saying how she was learning about how like relationships nowadays, like it's almost like, I don't know, I'm gonna say it wrong, but like your text messages with someone on your phone is like your relationship more than like in person. I don't know, it's just crazy. All I'm trying to say is I was very in the moment with my girlfriends, and it was so nice to just all hang out. We had the yummiest dinner. I ate so much pasta. It's like so good from there. And then we actually went afterwards, we went upstairs for a drink. So if you guys live here, it's like Top Cut is on the top level, and then Melt's underneath are like owned by the same person, and those are like my favorite restaurants. because it's like Italian, and then it's like, well, if you live here, I always say for Top Cut, go on like a special occasion. It's very much for like birthdays, anniversary stuff, because it's like a very expensive steakhouse, so it's not like go all the time type of thing. But we love it up there. It's so nice. And so we went up there for a drink after, got a glass of wine, and just chit-chatting. And it's funny because actually tonight I'm going to Top Cut again with my mom. It's such a special occasion because she's coming to visit. She's only been to Allentown once before, like over a year ago probably, and I'm so excited she's gonna come for the next 2 days. And so this morning what we're doing is literally cleaning my whole apartment. It's a mess. Like, you guys, it's a mess. There's crap everywhere. Brody's toys, my new sweater, my new jacket, like there's stuff everywhere. So that's what we're doing this morning. I'm like mentally preparing myself to go into deep cleaning mode because I just want it to be clean. You know, when someone comes, I'm turning into that adult that's like everything needs to be literally spotless. If someone comes over, I'm like uncomfortable if it's messy. I just want it to be nice for them, you know. I want it to be like homey and inviting. And I remember the last time she came, it was literally spotless. There was like candles burning, her bed was all made up in the second room, so I want it to be nice for her. So let's get to cleaning. Oh, maybe you lay, I clean. So the bed was made cute, but somebody squishes all the pillows. Do you know who that could be? Oh man, I need to take a breather, huh? Oh, that was your head right on my head. Do you want to be the star of the show? I have been a non-stop cleaning machine, huh, buddy? Oh. You my BFF, you know that? Sorry, I'm probably so annoying about Brody. I'm like, guys, look it, just watch him exist. But as you saw, and I only filmed a little bit of the cleaning, like cleaned every bathroom, tidied, I didn't even show you, I vacuumed, cleaned all the mirrors, doing laundry just now, I didn't even show that. Yeah, I'm exhausted and I'm sweating. I feel like if you're running around cleaning, you get so hot. It's 65 degrees in this apartment and I'm literally sweating because I've just been running around. Oh man, okay, I feel like this vlog is low-key getting long and I'm gonna start a new one when my mom comes, so I'll end off this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned to get excited for the next one. My mom and Teddy too, of course, he's coming. It's gonna be so much fun. So thank you guys for watching. Love you so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.